Wondering how to use Bondage? Let me show you how. All of our bonds are flexible bond here at Lashify, which means that they're going to move freely with your natural lash while you wear them, making sure that there's zero damage. They're also free of any harsh chemicals, so there's no cyanoacrylates, no formaldehyde, there's not even latex in the product, so it's safe for all eye types. Charcoflex absorbs more moisture and oil than our Whisper Light formula. This formula is great for someone who might live in a humid climate, have oily lids, or watery eyes from allergies. It's also anti-microbial and antibacterial. Bondage is also infused with biotin, and that ingredient is going to help nourish and support healthy lashes. The applicator on Bondage is also unique because it has 2 different types of bristles which allow for precise application. The first thing you're going to want to do when using Bondage is to shake the bottle to activate and mix the formula. For my first layer of bond, I'm going to use the micro mascara side of my applicator to brush a thin coat from root to tip right onto my natural lash. Then I'm going to take my blow for about 15 seconds to let it get tacky. Once my lashes are tacky, I'm going to flip my applicator over using the wide tooth comb side and press that into the base of my natural lash. Then you're going to use the blow tool again to make sure everything's tacky and you're ready to apply. With Bondage, sealing is optional, but if you are going to seal, you'll seal after your final fuse. This bond is great for 10-day wear, not just for people with oily lids, watery eyes, or someone who lives in a humid climate. It's actually a great bond for anyone.